90 days. My mother just got denied. She just got denied a heart transplant through her insurance company. I just want to be able to see my mom. Please, Your Honor, please.
Assistant Public Defender Don Lee on behalf of Mr. Campbell, who stands to my right. Mr. Campbell, can you tell the court your name, please?
Jason Brett Campbell.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. I do believe that we're going to have a resolution of this at our next probable cause conference. Would be trusting an adjournment for that, and I would like to address bond on this.
It's the only thing holding him, or
Your Honor, he does have an out-of-county hold. It's unclear if they're going to pick him up, but that hold has prevented him from being released to treatment.
that what?
The hold has prevented him from being released to treatment, but it's unclear if they're going to pick him up.
Okay, because anybody say anything to you about sacred?
2 defendants, 2 bond hearings, one begging to see his dying mother, the other fighting for a second chance. In this courtroom, excuses collide with consequences.
Heart? I don't.
No, I called Sacred Heart, sir, and we set everything up, and my hold's preventing me from going to Sacred Heart.
The hold from the other court.
From the other court in Detroit, yes.
Because I've released him. I approved release to Sacred Heart.
Yeah.
This case.
Yes.
So what do you? Go ahead. What are you asking regarding bond?
Thank you. I would ask if he could be released on a tether so that he can either be picked up on the hold and then go to treatment if he's released there, or if he could then.
You got to get the other court. I mean, I've done what I could on this one so that he can go. You got to get the other court to do something, Mr. Lee. Well, I mean, that's why I asked the question, because I remember signing the paperwork.
Yeah, he did file a writ, Your Honor. Unfortunately, at my understanding, that there hasn't been a response.
Yeah, there hasn't been a response. I filed it 5 weeks ago.
A probable cause conference, I'll only go to, put him on the 30th, 2025 at 9 a.m. And I'm going to deny your request at this point and see where we are on.
Your Honor, can I say something? Your Honor, I mean, I've been in here close to 90 days. My mother just got denied. She just got denied a heart transplant through her insurance company. I just want to be able to see my mom. Please, Your Honor, please. Please.
Send me information that the other court is not responding, and I'll consider something else. But at this point, you know, I did what I could to try to get you out, sir. It's not me. It's this other.
No, if I get let out on a personal bond, they come and get me. They want the same thing for me in Detroit is to go to treatment. That's all they want.
Well, then you guys need to get to, what court is it in Detroit?
36th District.
Somebody needs to just get through to them.
I'll reach out to them, Your Honor.
And just keep banging on their door, because there isn't a reason he should be able to get out. Certainly on my case, he can. But he's got to be able to get out on their case. I don't know what, they have not issued a warrant because he hasn't done anything. Right?
The warrant was
issued. Have a hold.
Yeah, it's a hold.
And what my notes indicate, Your Honor, is that the call was made to the court. They indicated they would not be picking him up, but a lien message was received by the jail indicating they would be picking him up.
Well, see, again, that's not me. Somebody's going to need to make a determination. If they're not going to pick him up, then we'll do what we got to do. I mean, it won't be an issue. If they're going to pick him up, then we can figure out something here. They can come get him and then deal with him there. But they got to make their call.
Yes, Your Honor. I'll reach out to the 36th District Court.
Thank you.
Brandon Thomas. How you doing?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking.
Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment, and I am asking to address bond.
Of course you are. How much time did you need for an adjournment? The 30th? Will that work for you?
That's fine, Your Honor, yes.
All right. Probable cause conference will be adjourned December 30th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Your Honor, Mr. Thomas is in custody after a bond violation. Missed tests was the issue. Mr. Thomas was previously living with his parents and his 7-year-old child with special needs. His parents got evicted was a very tough time where he and his mother both lost their jobs. I believe that the failure to test was a financial issue. However, he does have a job lined up for when he's released and definitely plans to test if you allow him to. He recently finished a 10-week outpatient program. The whole time he was doing that, he was testing. Every test was negative. He reports he's been sober since the alleged incident in this case. He and his family live in Ypsilanti. I don't believe he's a flight risk and would greatly appreciate another chance to comply with bond.
He lives in Ipsy?
I believe so. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, you were testing for 35th District Court at onsite.
Yes, sir.
He's on probation there.
Right. But our problem that we had is that when he was here the last time is that he had not tested at onsite since early November.
That's correct, Your Honor. I believe there was a period of about a month where he did not test, but again, I believe it was a financial issue and his family and his own finances would be more stable.
I understand what you're telling me on that, but how am I going to get him to test now if that issue hasn't changed, right?
With the financial issue?
Yeah.
I
I
believe
mean,
I could.
I'm hearing you saying that he didn't test because of financial issue, and I understand all of that.
So,
But now you're telling me that he can test, and I don't.
so Your Honor, with the financial issue that we had and getting evicted, we just got ourselves into a new home, and my father is the breadwinner, and he's a basketball coach, so he's had a hectic week himself. He had 3 games this week. He just had a game yesterday as well, and me being just myself, it was hard for me to come to him with all the things that he had going on and all the finances that he was paying for me to, like, a 30-year-old son to be like, Dad, can you keep giving me this money? But moving forward, he said he would help me now that we have our new house and getting things together. So I'd appreciate it if you would let me test if he.
Have you been able to verify any of that?
Yes, sir.
No.
I have not verified that, but my main point is that at the time when he stopped testing, he and his mom had just lost their jobs.
No,
He has a
I
new job
get
lined
what
up.
you're saying, but he's telling. So I get that part of it. I mean, I know I look stupid, but I'm not really. I get that part of it. But now you're telling me he can test, and I was asking, why can he now do it?
Because we're in our.
Just hold on.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And I heard you. I heard what you said to
I'm
me.
sorry.
I then asked, as he's telling me all of this, have you verified any of what he's telling me regarding the new house, father, those things?
No, I do not have independent verification of that.
All right.
Which they are here right now as well.
What do you mean?
My parents, they're outside.
Outside where?
Getting the car that and all my belongings from the courthouse. So if that was possible, he could.
How do you know? So they're not in the courtroom?
No, sir. He didn't want to see me like this in shackles and chains.
I can get that.
But they're here to support them.
And the new place is in Ipsy?
It's in Canton, Michigan.
Not even sure why I'm doing this, but I'll do it because what you're telling me doesn't make an entire sense, but I don't think it's a lie. So I'm going to grant you a personal recognizance $25,000 bond. You're to test 2 times per week at community corrections, nowhere else. All right, up here.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm not going to hear any excuse. I don't have a ride. I'm not going to hear any excuse. I don't have money. I'm not going to hear any of that. You don't show up for the testing or you don't show up at court. We're coming to get you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Am I clear?
You are clear.
I said it for the 30th.
Up here for testing.
Right today?
Yes.
In court, emotion alone isn't enough. Proof matters. Accountability matters. And second chances come with hard rules. Break them, and the system comes back fast.